To remove the new fluid tank, which is located on the back side of the machine, we'll first need to disconnect the sensor and the hose connected to the tank. We'll start by disconnecting the sensor. Set the wires aside. Next, we'll remove the hose using a 7/8 wrench to hold the fitting in the tank and an 11/16 to disconnect the hose. We'll then set the hose aside. Once the sensor and the hose have been disconnected, we'll move to the back of the machine. We'll remove the rubber pad located in the bottom, and we'll remove the bracket holding the new tank in by removing the 2 screws on the back of the console and the 2 screws in the bottom of the tank. We'll set those screws aside so they aren't lost, and we'll remove the 2 in the back of the console. Set those screws aside as well. Remove the lid on the new fluid tank, and the bracket can then be lifted off of the tank. The tank can then be pulled up and out of the machine.